Hello? Hello? Woo, guys, we are here. Welcome to another day in the vlog. That was such a nice cold start. Okay, we have a good fun day today. Today, I want to start prepping the buggy for paint work. We're waiting on the brakes, which don't come until tomorrow, so I figured that, you know, we should just kind of tackle away at it. So let us get on with our day and see how great it is. Thank you, you too. We have the seats out now. I just got this loose, as you guys can tell, with the rubber mallet. So next we're gonna disconnect our fuel line, and we're gonna pull out the tank, finish grinding that away, and get the rest of this all squared away. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Look at how this looks. This is like all choreographed, everything is up. Basically, I wanted to start like grinding it all away, but my mom doesn't want me to in her garage. It's kind of funny, I have the entire buggy, literally the chassis and everything there, and then I have the whole Avalon right there. So this has been honestly quite amazing. It started off really quick, but I'm basically gonna grind down all the metals and stuff, and then I'm gonna paint everything with a fresh paint to coat, and I'm gonna replace every single bolt that I can potentially find, and nut and washer and lock nut, and basically everything. Everything is gonna be brand new. Polish down everything and then get everything all good. Hopefully get the seats reupholstered soon, and then just reattach everything. I took off all the brake lines, and then what I did is I cut up the old brake lines to make little ports. That way it all looks a lot better. I still need to take off some more stuff tomorrow. I need to finish covering up all those wiring and stuff. Then I need to cover up the exhaust ports, and what's the other thing? Oh, and then take out the e-brake and the shifter and the pedals. But other than that, oh, and the suspension. Other than that, I think this is honestly, it's pretty solid. I'm curious though, on this arm, it's bent, but see how it's on the minimum section and how that's on the minimum section? I think that the bar was too long, so it was bent on purpose in order for it to make it fit. So I'm probably may or may not replace that. I'm not sure, just because I think that the chassis is slightly not as wide. So I don't know. All right, let me know down in the comments what you think I should do with that. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I have the whole build process online. And yeah, everything's going great. Without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Nothing else to say. I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.